Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to understand and how to read photo patterns. What I mean by photo patterns is the kind of this thing, and by that you usually can crochet some different kind of designs, something really pretty and really cute. And we're gonna start from first one is chains or slip stitch. Chains usually showed up as a white circle, and a chain and slip stitch more like a dot. The second one is single crochet. The third one is a half double crochet. The fourth one, double crochet. After that we see treble crochet, and the next is double triple crochet. Then it's a slip stitch number 2, and the last one is the arches from chains. The number means how many chains you make. And now I'm going to show you how to make them all and how it basically will look like. So first of all, we're going to start with the chains. You make a stitch and you go up. I go probably 5, but it doesn't matter when you learn, right? So that's how you do this one. And the dot, the black dot, is a slip stitch usually, but you can watch how to do slip stitch in my previous videos. And now making a chain up, and now making a single crochet. Single crochet kind of looks like this, like a plus or this kind of sign, and that's what it should look like, because if you haven't learned the names yet, that's a good video for you, I think. And yeah, now I'm going to show you how to make a half double crochet. And remember, one thing that will be really important for you, you have to turn your work backwards to start your next row, because it's really important, because you just need to know how to do that, because you always should work from right to left and no other way around, you know what I mean? So now I'm gonna show you how to make a half double crochet. I already said it before, but okay, I'm making a chain up always, and it's really important because you go always up, and for you to go up you need to go to do 2 or more single crochets up, chains up. And now I'm taking 1 loop on my hook, and I'm going into top of my stitch from the last row, and I'm making 3 loops on my hook, and I crochet them all together at the same time. And the difference between half double crochet and a double crochet is that you will see it later, but there's a difference that between in both ways you have 3 loops on your hook, but you crochet them differently. That's why they're kind of different. So I'm not forgetting about making a chain up, and now I'm gonna show you how to make a double crochet. Double crochet, we do the same thing, but we crochet 2 loops one time, and the second time 2 loops. So 2 loops one time and 2 loops the second time. Now I'm gonna show you what is treble crochet is. Treble crochet is when you take 2 loops on your hook, and then you crochet taking 4 loops. Okay, you just gotta see it. I'm not forgetting about chain up. And now I'm taking 2 twice, doing 2 loop twice, and then I have 4 loops on my hook, and I crochet them all separately by 2 loops. So that's how it is. More opened video about more basic, more about how to crochet them all, you can watch on my previous videos. I'm gonna pin them on the corner of my video, and you go there and you find all my videos about how to crochet single crochets and all this different funny stuff, and explain there more how to do that all. And this is a slip stitch, which is the second way that some patterns show it, or a black dot, or a kind of like this minus thing. So that's how it looks like. You just crochet like together, that's all, and that's how pretty it looks like. And we got almost to the last one, and the last one is pretty interesting because usually you can't really see it in all the patterns. It's just in some patterns where it's like a really cool design, you know. But yeah, when you will learn the designs, you will actually almost know everything about crocheting. I promise you. So first, when you crochet 3 chains, you go into the next, into the same one, and do the same stitch, not in the next ones, but in the same stitch, and you make like this kind of pretty thing. And then I'm gonna show you again how to make it 5 chains, what it will look like. And I'm making 5 chains like in this one, but I'm going now in the second, or I'm skipping, that's what it should be. But I'm gonna just show you that it doesn't really matter, but it's your pattern will show you where you should stop or like how you should do this arch. So that's all for today, and that's all I wanted to show you. And maybe in the next video I'm gonna make you how to actually follow the pattern, and I'm gonna show you how to crochet a little heart, because it's really cute and you really need to know how to make a heart, obviously. But yeah, it's really easy and it's really basic. You will learn how to crochet and like how to make little designs, and you will crochet like really cute top with this. You can make everything by knowing how to read a photo patterns. So like my video, subscribe, write me a comment. Bye, see you in the next videos.